It all started a long time ago. Just an ordinary Italian family trying to make an honest living.
Luciano, take your freaking hat off at the table. We ain't at your mother's house.
Until one day,
Hey, Celia, I've been thinking about a financial struggle. Kinda, sorta, joined the mafia.
You did what?
from that point on, my life was full of tough decisions.
Hey, Celia, should I pick the stripes or the cow print tie?
Go with the stripe.
Okay.
Attitude.
Hey, stop right there. You talking to me? Is you talking to me? Hey, you trying to have a conversation with me? Are you talking to me?
No one's talking to you, Lulu.
Hey, shut up! I'm trying to do a thing here!
Dark choices.
Yes!
I did something that would break my heart.
Louie.
But I did do it for the family. The only family I ever needed. My family.